Good morning, Steph. The time is currently 8:40 a.m. You slept through 5 alarms.
Okay, if I drive a little faster than advertised, I should still make it in time. How's it going, you alright?
Oh, yeah, you alright? How are you doing?
What have you done for Unit 11? I
am cooked as well, I can't lie. All of these unis are asking for way too much, and I don't have any experience in any of these jobs.
I'm in the same boat, to be honest with you. I've literally done the exact same thing, especially with jobs. To be honest with you, I've skipped breakfast, so I'm gonna go shop quickly. Back in a bit. Am I really this late? I don't know why, I feel a bit faint after buying that all of a
Stop
sudden.
being dramatic, let's go. You know you shouldn't really be buying one of those every day, right? It's wasteful the way you just throw it.
To be honest, the game's the game. It's not like one little can's gonna be the end of the world. You know, I said I felt a bit faint earlier.
Steph, are you alright?
But what if it wasn't just one wrapper? You buy one of these every single day you're in college. That's 190 days per year. It's never just one wrapper. It's a multitude of them. It's never just one pointless drive. It's many of them. A college bus comes right by your house every day, and you ignore it. It's not just one bad action. It's a bad lifestyle. We're being reckless with the way we live and act like we can afford it. We do things that are easy for us, while giving the burden to the environment. It's time we take responsibility for what we do. It's time we realize that everyone does it once, and we'll all do it. This isn't a you thing, it's an us thing. We need to change, and that change starts with us. Wake up. Seriously, wake up.
Wake up! Everything good?
You're right. About everything. I do need to make a change. We need to make a change. I'm like a new me, a changed man, and after that, honestly weird dream, I decided to turn my life around. I'm making it sound big and dramatic, but really that's just for the production crew. In reality, it's not even that hard.
We can start off by holding our friends accountable.
What are you looking at me for? I'm a changed man. Come on.
You can drive in a more eco-friendly way, less revs, higher gears.
Or don't drive at all. Consider taking something like a bus that's going to be making the journey either way. And next, actually listen to these bins. They can be annoying and they're only in Wales, but being eco-friendly doesn't have to be a lifestyle. You can do the small decisions instead of just putting it in the black bin like everyone else.
It could be the small choices, holding onto your rubbish if there isn't a bin, taking a bus when it's possible, and considering the packaging, not just the ingredients of your snacks. It's about doing the things that no one else does, and maybe even starting a trend. Who knows where it will lead you? We don't have to rely on a public figure to do something big if we all do something small. Rejoice in the small things around you and have the world make it something bigger.